Hi students, this is Sister Sheila. Now we are going to learn exercise 3.1 question number 10. If the equation x square plus px plus q is equal to 0 and x square plus p dash x plus q dash is equal to 0 have a common root shows that it must be equal to p q dash minus p dash q by q minus q dash or q minus q dash by p dash minus p. Now the solution, the given equations are x square plus px plus q is equal to 0 and x square plus p dash x plus q dash is equal to 0. Now we are going to take a common root for these two equations. Let the common root be alpha. We are going to substitute this alpha in both equations in the place of x. Substitute alpha value in both the given equation. If we substitute, we are getting alpha square plus p alpha plus q is equal to 0. We are considering this one as the first equation. The second one, alpha square plus p dash alpha plus q dash is equal to 0. This is the second equation. Now we are going to solve these equations in order to get the value of alpha. When you solve this one, we can eliminate alpha square because alpha square is having the same coefficient. So we are trying, since they are having the same sign, we have to change the sign of the second equation. Plus change into minus, plus change into minus, here also plus into minus. Now this alpha square minus alpha square both will be cancelled. The remaining is here p alpha minus p dash alpha plus q minus q dash is equal to 0. Now here we can take alpha as a common. If you take out alpha as a common, the remaining will be p minus p dash plus q minus q dash is equal to 0. When you bring this q minus q dash to this right hand side, plus will change into minus. So we got now alpha is equal to minus of q minus q dash divided by p minus p dash. Now from here we are trying to get that minus sign outside. If we take out the minus sign outside, p dash will come here, p will come to this side. So that means here p dash will become positive and p will become negative. So we got p dash become positive and p will become negative. So we got now p dash minus of p dash minus p. Now both are having the minus sign, we can cancel this minus sign. The remaining will be q minus q dash divided by p dash minus p, and this is the value they are asking us to find out. That is the root alpha. We found out that value is q minus q dash divided by p dash minus p. This is the one of the solution they are asking us to find out. There is another the root we have to find out. The same alpha value b, then another one is p q dash minus p dash q divided by q minus q dash we have to find out. For that, now we are taking the same equation again, but we are going to eliminate the alpha term. The previously we eliminated the alpha square term. Now we are going to eliminate the alpha term. In order to eliminate this alpha term, and you have to make the coefficient same. So to make the coefficient same, we are multiplying the first equation by p dash and second equation by p. So we are coming up with the equation after multiplication. P dash alpha square plus p dash alpha plus p dash q is equal to 0. The second equation is p alpha square plus p dash alpha plus p q dash is equal to is equal to 0. Now we eliminate this alpha term. Here both the coefficients are same. So we have changed this sign because both are having the same sign. If we change, plus will change into minus, here also will be minus, here also will be minus, and both these term will be cancelled. The remaining is here p dash alpha square minus p alpha square plus here p dash q minus p q dash is equal to 0. Now for these two terms, alpha square is a common. If we take out alpha square as a common, the remaining is p dash minus p is equal to this term. We need to goes to this side, right hand side, it will become minus. So minus of p dash q minus p q dash. Next we are bringing this p dash p to the right hand side. This multiplication will change into division here, so it will come as a denominator here. So we got alpha square is equal to p q dash minus p dash q divided by p dash minus p. Now we are going to write this alpha square as alpha into alpha is equal to p q dash minus p dash q divided by p dash p. Now this alpha, one alpha we are bringing to the denominator, so it will become now alpha is equal to p q dash minus p dash q divided by alpha into p dash minus p. Now we know, we found out already the value of alpha is equal to q minus q dash divided by p dash minus p. Now this value we are going to substitute here in this place of alpha. If we substitute here, we are getting alpha is equal to p q dash minus p dash q divided by alpha value is q minus q dash divided by p dash minus p into p dash minus p. Now these two will be cancelled. The remaining is here now p q dash minus p dash q divided by q minus q dash. Now hence the common root alpha is equal to, we proved that p q dash minus p dash q divided by q minus q dash or q minus q dash divided by p dash minus p.